Welcome back. Today we are going to dive into the concept of pointers. But what exactly is a pointer? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. This might sound a bit complex, so let's break it down. A pointer doesn't store the actual value, instead, it stores where the value is located in memory. Let's start with a simple example. Here's a variable num initialized to the value of 10. We will declare a pointer ptr and make it point to the memory address of num. Now ptr is storing the memory address of num. Notice how we are using an asterisk to denote a pointer. Using asterisk pointer, we can access the value stored at that memory address. Let's print the values to understand this better. For this, when num value is 10, we have given a simple cout statements. So value of num will be 10 and the address of num will be a memory address that will be assigned to num. So value stored in pointer, that means ptr, will also be a memory address. Value accessed through pointer, which will be 10. Now what if we change the value of num using the pointer? Simply dereference the pointer and assign a new value. For example, in this example, the output will be updated value of num is 20. Finally, let's look at pointer to pointer, which is a pointer storing the address of another pointer. For example, like in this code, the value of num will be 10. Value accessed through ptr, that means start ptr, will also be 10. Value accessed through ptr to ptr, that means double star ptr to ptr, that will also be 10. Thank you.